What if your backyard could deliver that incredible 5-star resort feeling every single sunny morning effortlessly? Outdoor showers are exploding in popularity right now, and honestly, the reason behind this trend make perfect sense. Welcome to Outdoor Heaven, your favorite destination for jaw-dropping landscaping ideas that transform ordinary jars beautifully. In today's video, we break down outdoor shower courts, plumbing privacy solutions, and proper drainage methods clearly. Grab something refreshing, sit back, and let us walk through everything you absolutely need before building one. So, why exactly are outdoor showers suddenly everywhere across modern homes and stylish vacation properties nationwide? They offer pure convenience after swimming, gardening, surfing, and hiking through muddy trails throughout the day. Homeowners absolutely love keeping dirt, sand, and chlorine completely outside instead of dragging mess into bathrooms. They also boost property value significant while creating that resort style vibe everywhere. Genuinely wants nowadays. Honestly, once you install one, you will probably wonder how you ever lived without one before. Now let us talk real numbers because budget matters more than anything when planning home upgrades. A basic cold water outdoor shower typically costs between $500 and $1,500. Mid-range setups with hot water hookups usually run somewhere between $2,000 and $4,000. Luxury enclosed designs featuring stone walls, custom fixtures, and decorative lighting can easily exceed $8,000. Labor permits and material choices heavily influence your final price tag, so plan everything accordingly beforehand. Let's dive into the plumbing. Because this part honestly intermediate most homeowners more than expected. You essentially have two options: simple cold water lines or fully connecting hot and cold water systems. Cold water hookups attach directly to exciting garter house beeps, making installation surprisingly quick and very affordable. Hot water setups require tapping into interior pipes, which usually means hiring a licensed professional plumber. Always insulate pipes properly and shut off valves prevently winter freezing and potential expensive pipe damage. Privacy honestly makes or breaks any outdoor shower, no matter how beautiful design originally looks. Tall wooden salt walls remain the most popular choice, offering style, airflow, and complete visual coverage. Living screens made from bamboo, arborvitae, or climbing vines blend naturally into surrounding garden landscape beautifully. Frosted glass panels create a modern, luxurious spa feel while still allowing soft natural sunlight inside. Always consider neighbor sightline, second story windows, and street views before finalize your perfect private shower location. Drainage is the unsung hero, quickly prevent soggy lawns, mosquito problem, and seriously damage foundations underneath. The simplest method is a gravel pit, allowing water to slowly soak into surrounding around naturally. For large setup, a French drain redirects water safely away from your home foundation every time. Connecting directly to municipal sewer line works best but unusually requires permits and professional installation helps. Use only biodegradable soaps if water drains into gardens, protecting plant soil and beneficial insects naturally. Now let us explore gorgeous design style, transforming everyday backyards into stunning magazine-worthy outdoor nurseries instantly. Rustic wood enclosures with cedar planks deliver warm cottage vibes that age beautifully over many years. Modern minimalist showers featuring black matte fixtures and clean concrete floors absolutely scream contemporary luxury everywhere. Tropical designs incorporate pebble floors, lush greenery, and bamboo, creating that dreamy island resort atmosphere effortlessly. Pick a style matching your existing home architecture for seamless, beautiful visual flow throughout your property. There you have it, the complete guide to creating an absolutely jaw-dropping outdoor shower at home. From budgeting and plumbing to privacy, drainage, material, and design, we covered every important detail thoroughly. If this video helps you, please smash the like button and share with friends planning renovation. Subscribe to Outdoor Heaven for more landscaping inspiration tips, tricks, and stunning backyard transformation ideas. Drop your dream outdoor shower style in comments below and we will see you next time.